Alright, come on.
I need you guys to help me squat and get this as straight as possible. Okay?
Why don't you go ahead, I'll follow you.
This is all connected.
Just trust me, go. Just go. Just.
All interlinked. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna have all of these guys.
Goodbye, baby. We don't need you. Oh no.
We'll find
Your plan has been foiled.
It's like 4 people.
It's confusing, Logan.
What a long day.
The soul.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this on the side and then screw on.
This should be Lily's takeover. And it's like a 20-second segment of me taking over the camera. Shed mentor.
Just use a spin with the screws. Give everybody motions like this.
Yeah. Like, whoa.
I'm just saying, if we have a video that gives everybody aggressive motion sickness, we can put the robot in it.
Yeah.
But they won't be able to understand what it is.
They're just like vomiting and the robot's there. I'm glad this is on video.
Exactly.
Hey Logan. So what's the issue with my toe pop?
Very broken.
Oh.
Get some amazing commentary, you know?
It's very Give me throws. So intense.
Don't put the camera on me. That's the action's over there.
Exactly.
See? Don't you see it? You see it over there?
Yeah, I can see it.
You see it?
Yeah, the thing. And then the
Yeah, right? It's
Yeah.
crazy. Pan it over at the action. There you go.
It's a crimp for, you know, it's pretty close. It'll be super.
Something
where everyone compliments
media.
Well, the week just started. So, I mean, it really hasn't gone at all yet, objectively speaking. I mean, we've had like, what, an hour? And you're already like, oh, what's happened this week? Well, frankly, Tanner, there hasn't been a week yet. So if you could postpone your questions for me for a later date where there has been a week, you know, maybe I will give you a reasonable answer. But until that time, you are dumb.
Understood.
That was the longest explanation.
Hi Connor. So, how's design going so far?
We're doing pretty good. We've got most of the robot designed.
Aren't you in assembly now?
Maybe.
They see you lost your job. You're kind of like unemployed designers.
We're not unemployed. We're just doing some other work.
It's called a hustle.
It is a side hustle, I'd say.
Yeah. All right, that's pretty nice to know. Anything else, like comments you want to add?
We kind of have a new job title now.
Yeah. No longer it's designers. It's just now former design leads, new assembly people,
Assemblers.
assemblers. That's nice to know. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
We're doing good. They're over there.
Anything over there?
I mean, yeah. You can. It's just gonna be me.
You're not allowed to.
No.
Top secret.
Top secret.
We're not leaking the robot gun.
Again.
What robot?
We're leaking the Germans.
We're leaking the entire German.
No.
Yeah.
How is this week gonna go out so far?
Hopefully good. I want the Bobot, so we can wire Bobot, but probably pretty stressful. Lots of stress. Probably lots of energy drinks.
Go Bears.
Hi Tanner, how's it going? Wait, what do you say?
What is electronics doing so far?
Electronics, we just finished wiring the main board, so we're gonna get ready to mount that on the chassis when it's done. But also, we're preparing to fully wire up the robot, and so while we build our climbing mechanism, which is what I'm doing, and gathering parts for that, they're getting ready to prep wire and be prepared for when, probably Thursday or Friday when we actually wire the robot up.
Alright, cool, thank you. Oh, this is really bad. Oh
Yeah.
no. Okay. Feeling the interview. How's it going, Evan?
It's going decent.
That's really nice to know. So how's assembly doing so far?
We are currently having a race for who can assemble one arm the fastest. And my team has abandoned me, so it's me versus 12.
Nice.
And I think I'm in second place right now. So
Are you gonna clutch up the 1v12?
I'm gonna try.
Got it.
My goal is to have all 4 arms say Evan Moffat.
All 4?
Yeah,
That's a big flex.
it is.
Just grab a secret engraver, just engrave your name in the bottom somewhere.
Yeah.
That's a big flex. All right, that all assembly's doing so far has been broken up into 4 teams.
Yeah, we have pretty much everything else on the robots done, except the shooters. But
Do you know who's on your team so far, or is it
my team has Drew, Jacob, and Connor Franklin, the designer. But Connor jumps around, and Drew and Jacob were taken to the shed. So,
in other words, you have no one?
yeah.
That's nice. All right, well, thank you for your time then.
Yeah.
How is assembly doing so far?
Pretty well. We've had some frustrating mistakes and some pretty good wins as well.
No.
I need to go up there. Right.
I think that should be a pro.
There we go.
Here.
No, no! No!
How many fingers am I holding?
8.
Good job. All right. So I heard programming is kind of struggling to get the bot back.
Yeah, they took it in to do some work on it, and then we didn't get it back.
You're not getting the bot ever, aren't you?
No.
No. Never gonna get
Yeah,
it.
we're not gonna get
Yeah.
the bot back.
But so besides that, is programming running pretty smoothly, or is it anything else?
So we got a subsystem thing done. Yeah, we have code. We're just getting ready to test it because they're like, hey, get the code ready and then you can test it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that all the program is doing so far is just running as fast as possible to get the bot, and then testing their code, and then doing whatever.
Pretty much.
Cycle repeats itself.
Yeah, we're getting close to winter break, so we're gonna get a little bit frantic.
Yeah. Interesting. All right. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks.
Tanner, come over here.
He hates after.
No, where is it? Re-rotate. Come on. Yeah. Hold on. Where is it? Oh.
Alright guys, and that concludes week 5. Now on to week 6, which is meme week.
Who's editing?
I think I would edit this one, since I am the most skilled and experienced.
Why can't I? I feel like I think we need a more creative approach. Don't you feel like, Logan?
Well, don't you think meme week should just be, really casual, really serious?
Yeah, but your style of editing is sloppy and
It's
kind of bad.
Dry. Here,
Yeah.
let me take over
What?
for a minute. Yeah. Goodbye, Logan. All right. Let's discuss meme week, guys. All right. So obviously, meme week, very funny week. We gotta make jokes, all the fun stuff, and the best part is we're using Final Cut. Who's with
No,
me?
you know what? You know what? You know what,
Great.
Tanner? How about this? You know what? It's a 1v1. It's a 1v1
Oh yeah. No,
against you and me.
We share this now.
Yeah, Final
Yeah,
Cut
yeah.
and Premiere. Yeah!